Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we had been there to find it out the issue in the Macbook. The model number is A1466. Here the problem is we had been connected a charger but we are not getting on the system. Its power is not deducting and we find it out it's a problem of motherboard power not deducting. Let us fix this issue and we'll be back. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back. Yesterday we had been shown you the problem with the same MacBook. The model number is A1466. Now we had been fixed that issue. The power was not deducting yesterday. Now let us see. Now what is the exactly working now? Just a minute. See, now it's deducting and it's automatically getting on. See, the power has been deducted. Let us start the laptop. See, logo head came, it started. The issue has been fixed.